Bore da, good morning. Another day on the roof waterproofing and extension. I just had a little amusing moment when I actually looked around me and realised that as opposed to a collection of high-heeled shoes, that I'm very happy with a collection of tools and my steel toe cap boots. So wish me luck. I'm really hoping to have some proper progress on this today, so before we get another batch of rain. As I said yesterday, one of the things I really enjoy is that process of working out how to make something fit into place and be functional, all using recycled materials. Good bit of wood this was. Now that that's on, with timber rescued from a skip, I can put the tap and tuck it under and put another batten under there. I hope this makes you laugh. Rookie error of the day, putting your phone on charge on top of a wall, then stretching to get something, knocking it off, and it went through the gap between the wall and the actual wood sheds. So I had to squash in through the back of one of the wood stores in order to get my phone from that very end. So lucky that it was within reach, otherwise I'd have had to, I don't know, take the whole flipping wood shed down. Anyway, all good. These are very special windows. They're ones that were kindly given to me from a farmhouse that a very good friend of mine used to live in, Tom Watty. And thank you to the donators of these. Diolch yn fawr iawn. They've been sitting there for many years and now I have a use for them. So while I'm working in the forge, I'll still be able to see out and see if there's anybody coming over the stile. More puzzles. The joy of recycling stuff. I love this. Made the most of a dry day and progress made. A lot more to do, but it's getting there. Thanks to Tom Watty's windows. Need light in the forge, you see, but not too much, so I didn't want to block all this off, and should be just what's needed.